You busy? There's somebody out here who wants to meet you.
Who is it?
Say hello to everybody's little friend, Remote Control Stephen Hawking!
Where did you get that?
I found him in an old box.
Why would you buy it?
I didn't buy it, I made it.
Last question. What is wrong with you?
What's the big deal?
Howie, it's in poor taste.
No, it's not. Check it out. He says fun stuff.
Hey, good looking. Want to go for a spin?
His eyes also light up in the dark. Okay, Raj, I'm gonna show you something. Now, one of us thinks it's offensive. The other thinks it's hilarious and a great idea. But I'm not going to tell you who likes it.
This is tough. But I'm going to say it's the guy who shows me YouTube videos of people getting hit in the nuts.
You're crazy. I've worked with Hawking. He's got a great sense of humor, and I think he'd like it.
Okay, call him and show him. I dare you.
I have no problem calling him.
Fine, you do it.
Fine, I will.
While you're bothering the world's most famous scientist, be sure to show him how funny he looks getting stuck under our dishwasher.
What's this button do?
Gentlemen, start your wheelchairs.
You laughed when that guy got hit in the nuts.
I laughed because the guy was Leonard.